guys, welcome back. And this time I'm gonna be showing you what happened to one of my crankshaft. I left it outside and it rained. I got rust on it. So basically I fill it up with water. I put this liquid, the CLR. I'm not sponsored or nothing like that. I'm just telling you guys if this happens to you guys. I'm gonna see how good it's gonna end up, because this crankshaft, it was already machined and everything, so it should be good. Hopefully it does work, but at least we're gonna try to remove the rust. Let me show you how it looks so you guys can see. So that's full with water, and then I put 50% of this, so like this, up to half. So I got another half for another time. I fill it up all the way to the top so it can rust everything out. So I can remove the rust out. And this one, it was pretty rusted. Let me see if it comes out. Let's go and see if this works. I left this for maybe 10 hours, 12 hours, something like that. I'm gonna be using a pressure washer, and look my fingers. Let me see if it comes out with the finger. So far so good. Let me see if it works. As you can see, it's not gonna end up brand new because that's burned from the oil, but the rust, it did come out. Like, they actually rust. So that product, it works for the price. So is that something that happens to you guys? I'm gonna be using that product for now until I find something better. If this happens again, hopefully it doesn't. This is after 2 weeks of me using the rust remover. This is how it looks. Over here is dry, but all this is oil, so I haven't rusted out yet. So now I'm gonna be turning it. This is after 2 weeks. That's how it looks.